question number one is, what was your first job in travel? But you didn't start in travel.
I didn't start in travel. I started traveling because my first job in travel was being my parents' son, because they were both in the theatre and they worked internationally, and so I got scooped up from a very early age and taken overseas. So I learned to love travel at an early age. I didn't get into the travel industry until I was at American Express, which was in my early 30s. Although I'd done a little consulting work when I was at McKinsey for Amex's travel business in France. But I really got into the travel industry under the wing of a great man called Tommaso Zanzotto, famous ex-head of travel at Amex. And Tommaso took me under his wing and taught me everything he knew, was a lot of what he knew, which was a pretty great thing to learn.
Wonderful. What was the high point of your career? Was that it? Or
hasn't happened yet.
Okay.
I haven't given up yet.
And what was the low point thus far?
I think about the day that I took on, about 2 weeks after I took on my first real travel job, which was to be head of American Express's travel business in the UK and the USSR. Strange combination, but it's the way it was packaged together. And about 2 weeks afterwards, Chernobyl exploded.
Oh.
And no one wanted to go to Russia. And Americans, who at that time were not as good on geography as I think they've got better on geography, they just stopped coming to Europe. And if you were running a travel company that was thought by people in the UK to serve foreigners, and particularly to serve foreigners only with American Express cards, that was a pretty dark day. It also taught me a lot. I mean, we repositioned the business, and within 12 months, we turned it around and made it the most profitable part of American Express's travel empire. So out of every dark cloud, there's a silver lining.
Next question is, what would you be doing now if you were not in travel?
If I wasn't in travel in the industry, I'd probably be traveling for fun. I'm just one of those people who came out through the door that said, the world is your oyster, go travel. So I think if I didn't do it for my business, or my business is, because I do a variety of things, I do it for pleasure. And in fact, when I'm not doing it for pleasure, when I'm not doing it for business, I still travel for pleasure. Although my home is in the Cotswolds in England, and we look out from our garden up and down 26 miles of the Evenlode Valley, and if you wanted beauty, that's about as good as it gets. And the brewery is just over the hill.